Well, we talked about first responders during this pandemic. Tonight, let's focus on last responders. As our leaders are talking about relaxing mandates, the number of people dying from COVID-19 is still overwhelming. That, combined with the rise in violent crime and overdoses, has really led to a crisis at Maryland's medical examiner's office.
Yeah, and as Scott Broom tells us, the situation has families left waiting to say their final goodbyes to loved ones.
Maryland's health department reports there are the remains of at least 200 people awaiting autopsies. This is the garage and loading dock in Baltimore, where the state is now renting emergency space for refrigerated trailers to store excess bodies, according to state procurement records. Mortuary vehicles can be seen coming and going as heartbroken families can wait weeks for the release of remains which require autopsies from the Maryland Medical Examiner's Office. One mother who doesn't want to be identified shared the pain of losing her daughter.
I'm outraged that they would be keeping bodies anywhere other than the coroner's office. I have no idea where she was kept. I didn't know. I still don't know, and I don't want to know.
The U.S. National Disaster Medical System is sending at least one worker to Maryland after the state appealed to the Federal Emergency Management Agency for help, according to State Delegate Kirill Resnick of Montgomery County, who chairs the committee with oversight.
There were bodies being piled up in the hallway. There was improper refrigeration.
We are now in a situation where temporary storage, i.e. refrigerated trucks, are in a garage in Baltimore, storing the remains of individuals with families and everything else. What's your take on that situation?
You know, it's sad. Not only are we delaying potential criminal investigations, not only are we delaying the ability of families to have closure for their loved ones who have passed. There are religious rights in many cases.
While Resnick says a spike in the number of victims of crime and overdoses and COVID-19 has amplified this crisis, he blames health officials in Maryland for failing to hire enough pathologists and medical examiners to replace those who have left since 2019.
You know, people who go into the medical field, they want to heal the living, right? Not work with the dead. And so finding that those medical students and those doctors who want to engage in this specialty is difficult.
Now faced with bodies stored in refrigerated trailers and needing federal disaster help, documents show state health authorities have upped salaries to more than $370,000 to attract the pathologists they need to solve this crisis. Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
All right, now to